This is day 4, our final day in our Margaritaville cruise, and we landed in Freeport, Bahamas, where we took a shuttle to our excursion, jet skiing, and hanging out at the Taino Resort. The weather was perfect, and the water, just look at that beautiful turquoise clear water.
From the mountains to the sea, a place where the heart runs free. Feel the love, feel the unity. In this land of sweet harmony, feel the rhythm, let it flow.
We made a quick stop at Cleveland's, an establishment that has been in a family business for 60 years, and I enjoyed my first Bahamian beer. Then we stumbled upon some pigs and individuals enjoying their time with the pigs, and we found a starfish. This is us at the resort, just for a little quick photo shoot moment, enjoying the views. And finally, we went to the restaurant to eat. Here we got some curry chicken with rice. And of course, we had to have conch. When you're in the Bahamas, you must have conch. We met a young couple from Washington, D.C., and me and the young lady went in the water for a quick dip. And of course, we had to have a photo shoot moment. And she was a fairy.
Raise your hand. Together we'll make a stand. Peace and love across the land.
Now we're heading back to the cruise ship to enjoy our last evening in the cruise. And we went to a steak dinner and one of the fine restaurants. And this concludes our Margaritaville cruise.